Y'all, welcome back to the channel. So you can see the Acura is in the garage. So I did make it to Texas. Just 2 days before I made it to Texas, I hit a pothole and I bent two rims, and it actually it put cracks in them. So I picked up some TL wheels. The TL wheels do not fit correctly. I needed to put spacers on them just to make them fit. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take the TL wheels that I have over, and I'm going to get them machined. So what's the problem is the bore size on the back side of this. The older cars are bigger than the newer cars, so I have to get these expanded a little bit. So that's what I'll be doing. We're about to head and take them over to the shop now, and then hopefully we can come back and get everything straight. I do have brand new tires, so I got the TL wheels, and I picked up some brand new tires as well. So those are back there. So I'll be putting the new tires on as well. I'm thinking about once I get them bored out, we get the tires taken off, I think I'm gonna just clean all the little curbage that's on them, because it's not much. As you can see, this one, there's no curbage at all, but this one just a little bit. So I may take this off, sand it, fix it, paint it back, and then put the new wheels on so everything can be nice and fresh. So all right, more to come. So I'm here at the tire shop. I just found a tire shop that was right here by the machine shop. So I found a tire shop. The machine shop guy said he wanted the tires off, which was fine because I'm replacing the tires anyway. Look like I need to replace the valve stems too. I'm gonna just replace them. So I'm getting all the tires and stuff taken off. Charging me $20 to take the tires off the wheels. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Then I'm gonna drop it off to him. And as I was saying, we're gonna get this. So right now I think it's 64.3, I believe, and we need it 70.1. So we need it drilled out to 70.1. So that's what we're about to get taken care of now. We're gonna drop them off to the machine shop, and then I am gonna sand these down. I'm gonna repaint them, and I'm gonna re-clear them just so they can look nice and clean. I might as well do it now while I got them apart instead of going back and wanting to do it later. So all right, that's it for right now. I'm gonna get this last one, and we'll go over to the machine shop. So I made it to the machine shop, Roteco Machine Manufacturing. So they're gonna do them for me. They were the only ones that I can get in the area that actually did wheels. Most of them was like, hey, we don't do wheels, we just do heads and blocks and all that. So, all right. Okay, so you just need me to write down what I'm going to. Okay, so you say you'll call me?
Yeah, I got it.
You got the paper? 70.1, you got the paper?
Yeah.
Okay, all right.
Okay.
All right, see you in a little bit. All right, so we just dropped them off. They're gonna, I hope this turned out right, guys. But we'll see. He said that his son gets back at 1 o'clock. He's the one that I talked to yesterday, so he'll get it taken care of for me. So, all right, we'll be back when I come back to pick them up. Well, it's a few days later, and I finally picked up my wheels. They got them complete. So I already tried one of them on, and it actually fits. So that's what they did. They cut this out just a little bit, and then the measurements that I gave them, it fits perfect around the hub. So, so yeah, now I went and got them mounted and balanced. So now what I want to do is clean the inside of them up. I'm gonna try to clean them up really good. So I got some Iron X that I use for cars. I'm gonna use that Iron X that'll eat up some of that brake dust. And then I got some all-wheel cleaner. So I'm gonna spray that in the inside and see if I can clean them up. I decided not to repaint them. So when I was messing with them, I saw a lot of scratches on them, and I thought they were actually scratches in the paint, but really all that stuff. So as I was saying, I thought there were some of the scratches. There are some scratches on these wheels that won't come off, but majority of it will. So I didn't want to repaint them. They already look pretty good. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna clean them. I'm gonna scrub them really well, and then I'm gonna polish them. So I'm gonna polish them up just so they can be nice and clean. So what I'm gonna do now is clean the inside. All right, so I got the back of them clean now. I got the front of them. About to clean the front of them. As you can see, there's a lot of iron built up on this one. The other ones got a little bit, but this one is definitely in them crevices where it was really dark at. So hopefully all them spots that were on them come off. The wheels are in really good shape, so I am happy about that. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wash them out here, let them dry, and I'm gonna put them inside my garage. And then I'm gonna polish them up. I'm gonna get my little 3-inch polisher out, and I'm gonna actually buff them with some compound and see if I can bring that shine back. Make sure they look really good. So I did replace all the valve stems as well. The guy forgot to put the caps on. But I took them brand new valve stems to put in. So, all right, let me wash these up, and then we're gonna put them inside, and then we're gonna get them on the car after we polish them. All right, so I got the wheels in here. I didn't polish them yet, but man, these things look good. I don't think I'm gonna polish them. I think I'm gonna just throw these things up here. They already looking good after a good wash and clean. When I purchased them, I washed them off, but I didn't really get them that good. But now that I put new tires and everything on it, I went ahead and washed them up, and now they look really clean. So at this point, as you can see, at this point, I'm gonna put them on the car. It's getting late, so I may not mess with it tonight. But we'll see. We'll see. I'll come back whenever I do put them back on so you can see. And then I have to change out the main relay. I've been having some issues with it not wanting to start. And someone said tap the main relay. I tapped the main relay and it cranked right up. So I'm guessing it may be the main relay. So I'm gonna change the main relay and see what happens. And then we'll just go from there. But I've been driving. I drive about 45 minutes to an hour every day to work. So I've been driving my Yukon since we moved to Texas, and I need my Acura on the road so I can drive my little gas saver. Plus it's a stick. I enjoy shifting gears, so. All right, I'll see y'all in a little bit.
$100 on every 1,000 you spend.
All right, so I got the back one on. And I'm about to put the front one on. If you could look, you see how far that wheel's sticking out right now? So, once I take that spacer off and put the new wheel on, that's the extra one. I had 5, so that's the extra one that I didn't get cut yet. So I'll get that one cut as well, but I'm gonna put this one on. So, and then I gotta put these on over here. You see I'm out here watching Cool Cars KJ as I'm doing it. So, all right, I'll be back in a minute so you can see. All right, so I got the last one to put on. I got those put on. So this is the one that I had machined out. This is the original. So this is the extra wheel that I have that I'm just gonna keep for if I need one. Here's the original hole. There's a lip behind it or whatever. So I had them drill all the way down till they got to that lip. So here's the new one drilled all the way out. As you can see, it's just smooth all the way down. So what I'm about to do is I'm about to take the new one, put it on, and then I'll have all 4 of them on. What I need to do is order all new center caps. So I'll be ordering new center caps tonight. So that way I can go ahead and pop in. I'll have new center caps for all of them. The center caps that I have, they're all messed up. So they're faded. The black is turning brown on them. So I want the Acura logo to be shining. So, all right, let me put this one on and then we'll be back. Well, as you can see, I got my wheels put on. Finally got everything cleaned up. So, you see the wheels. Brand new tires. Got the wheels, got the hubs machined out so they can sit flush with the car instead of poking out. So they sit flush with the car. So I cleaned the car up. Next thing, I do need to get a paint job, but for now, I'm just gonna drive it. I'm loving the way it's looking. So, all right, that's all I got for this video. I'm about to go ahead and end this one. And I'll have more content coming soon for this car because I got a few more things I'm finna do. So, all right, if this is your first time, like, comment, subscribe. And I'll see y'all on the next one. Peace.